Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here, we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Hotel check-in conversation.
Good evening. Welcome to Grandview Hotel. How can I help you today?
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Sarah Wilson.
Let me check. Yes, I found it. You booked a deluxe room for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Perfect. Would you like a room on a higher floor or lower floor?
A higher floor, please. I like the view.
Absolutely. I'll give you a room on the 12th floor. Do you prefer a king bed or 2 single beds?
A king bed, please.
No problem. Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please. What time is breakfast?
It's from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the 1st floor.
Great.
Here is your room key card. Your room number is 1208. The elevator is to your right.
Thank you. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the Wi-Fi password is printed on your key card. It's free for all guests.
Perfect. And is there room service?
Yes, room service is available 24 hours. The menu is in your room.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. If you need anything, just call the front desk. Enjoy your stay.
I will. Have a nice evening.
You too.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.